What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news. I will show you how Russia-Ukraine crisis might affect the price of SOFI and is it possible to see a short squeeze on SOFI ticker. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we are forming some kind of triangle, as you can see, and this is a symmetrical triangle, and the breakout of this triangle might be either way, and we have to see an increase in volume during the breakout. And as you can see, the volume is slightly higher than previous ones, but I don't think that it is enough volume to confirm this breakout. And I think this range, this resistance line, is irrelevant for now. But we have this line as a very strong support, and if I make it more accurate, as you can see, we have very good touches, 3 touches of this support line, and definitely this is the real support for now, and we should hold it in order to see sooner price action to the upside. If we will break it to the downside, the point when we will see the movement to the upside, significant movement to the upside, will be a little bit far ahead in future. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news related to this company. First of all, I want to pay your attention on this article. It was published on February 14th and it's titled SOFI Technologies, Short Sellers Should Be Worried Going into Earnings. And let me quote you the summary. The author wrote, I discussed the implications of SOFI obtaining their banking charter, as this allows SOFI to utilize deposits to fund loans, creating better margins. The banking charter could open up new revenue streams through its Galileo platform. SOFI raised guidance with the federal student loan moratorium still intact. It's on track to be lifted in Q2, which will bring a large revenue stream back online. I think SOFI is going to become a missed opportunity for many investors, and I will not be one of them. And I have to say that I agree with these 2 statements because of their bank charter that will drastically improve their fundamentals. And second one is the moratorium that will be cancelled in May of 2022. And this will definitely increase the fundamentals of SOFI. And about the short squeeze, I don't think that we might have the short squeeze anytime soon, and let me show you the short data related to this company. For now it has 10 million shares available, but unfortunately it is the information on February the 8th, and definitely it is a little bit outdated. But the short borrow fee rate is extremely low, it is 0.52%. And let me show you that the short volume ratio is 40.72 according to FINRA. I don't think that we might see with this short volume ratio short squeeze in any time soon. Because for now we have a lot of bearish pressure, and definitely one of these catalysts is Russia-Ukraine conflict, potential conflict. And let me show you the latest news. On February 14th we have this article on CNN, and right here you can see that 1 hour and 3 minutes ago we have this subtitle, Dow drops as the US announces Kyiv embassy closure. And let me show you this. Secretary of State Antony Blinken announced the US is closing its embassy in Kyiv and relocating Romanian diplomatic personnel to the western city of Lviv. And definitely it is the bad sign for the markets, because it shows the potential escalation of this crisis. But in my opinion, and you might know that I live in Russia, nobody wants to see this conflict as a war. And definitely I don't think that Vladimir Putin also wants to make this war. I think it is just some kind of debates with extremely high risks. And definitely because of this situation, we have a lot of bearish pressure on SOFI and a lot of short interest on this stock. So, and let me show you the general picture of SOFI institutional owners. And let me show you right here that we have increase in institutional ownership during just 5 days, and previously it was, let me show you right here, it was 48%, and for now it is a 53% institutional ownership. And let me show you the latest buy, and it was made by Vanguard Group, and for now it owns 6.62% of SOFI, and they increased their position by 6 million shares, and for now they own 53.38 million shares, and the value of this position is $844 million. Definitely it is a huge increase, and I have to say that if you divide the value of the position by number of shares, the average price of Vanguard Group is $15.8. So their average price is much higher than current range, and definitely if you want to invest in this asset, you might enter your position with the more attractive average price compared to the majority of these institutional owners. So, and let's continue with other forecasts. Right here you can see that we have one more rating added to TipRank's forecasts, and for now we have 11 ratings. 8 of them suggest to buy, 3 to hold, and 0 to sell. And the price targets are the same, almost the same. The highest price target became a little bit lower. Previously it was $28, but all other targets are in play, and we have one more buy rating, I have to say, with this forecast. On top of that, let me show you the recent catalyst that was made just a couple of days ago. And right here we are on Google Trends website, and this website tracks the activity around different searching terms. And I put in the list Tesla, SOFI, Alibaba, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as you can see, SOFI is in red color. And during the Super Bowl game, we have huge increase in interest. And definitely this increase in interest will be reflected in their fundamentals, will be reflected in the increase of their user base. And in the long-term perspective, definitely it will be a very good results of Q1 2022. And at the end of the day, it will increase the price of this company. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? Definitely, if you want to invest in this asset and you've already done your own due diligence, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle. And nothing is set in stone, especially this support line, because we have an increase in tensions between Russia and Ukraine, and if we will have a real war in between these two countries, it will impact all of the markets, and this will reduce the price of all of the stocks. And that's why you have to be prepared for this. So, and what should you do if you want to enter your swing trade position? For now, as already mentioned in my previous video, we don't have enough confirmation of making a new uptrend, of establishing a new uptrend, because we have higher lows on this movement, but we have lower highs at the top end. And definitely we have to see higher highs and higher lows to establish a new potential uptrend, and this uptrend should exceed the previous swing highs, and for now it is $16.44. And the main target is right here. It is roughly $19.5, and from our current range we might have about 60% of upside potential. And I marked this range by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very top, right here, let me show it to you, from the swing high of $24.53 to this low at $10.56, and this range statistically is the most probable range of trend reversal, and from this range we might see one of the strongest resistance levels, and that's why it is our medium-term target. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Be extremely cautious, but if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!